Okay ka lang?
Can I be honest?
Oo naman.
I used to always think na I was in this fairy tale love story and my times na ako yung damsel in distress, you know? And I have my knight in shining armor to save me.
Si Kidlat?
Pero lately, pakiramdam ko parang ako yung third wheel sa love story niya with someone else. But don't get me wrong. Kidlat and I, wala naman kaming formal understanding. Pero I thought that we would have more time to explore each other's feelings. Sorry. Ayoko pasaktan kasi kaibigan ko rin si Mutya. And I know that she cares about me and I care about her too. Pero lately, ang sakit. I don't want to be a sore loser, pero sakit talaga.
Huwag ka sorry. Valid naman yung nararamdaman mo. Pero alam mo, bilib ako sa'yo. Kasi kahit nasasaktan ka na, pinipili mo maging mabuting kaibigan sa kanilang dalawa. Pero hayaan mo. Habang lumilipas naman yung panahon, mawawala din yung sakit eh. Isipin mo na lang na maswerte ka na na-experience mo yung ganyang klaseng pagmamahal. At tandaan mo, ang dami mo pang oras. Ang dami pang oras para sa future mo para malaman mo kung sino talaga yung para sa'yo.
Salamat, babe.